Hey there, what's up? Welcome to my channel. If you're new to my channel, welcome, and if you've been here before, welcome back. I am Melissa Heck, and this is my YouTube channel, Missy's Makeup. Today, I'm super excited because we're going to be doing something a little different today. I haven't seen this on YouTube before, but I thought of this because I have a toddler, and he's interested in what I do. He likes to look at my makeup. He's always wanting to touch it, and I'm always saying, no, no. So I thought today we would humor him a little bit and maybe do that. I thought it would be a lot of fun and it would be a cute video idea. So today I'm going to let my toddler play with an eyeshadow palette, and the story, just in a nutshell, behind me choosing this eyeshadow palette was because the creator is involved in some controversy right now. I'm a little new to all of this. I haven't really been in the YouTube space very long. I didn't really start paying attention to YouTube and beauty YouTube until about 2018. So there's a lot of things that I wasn't really here for, and I'm kind of not really here for what I'm hearing now. So I had to look at my higher end eyeshadow palettes for him to get to play with, and this is the one that I decided. So if you're interested in that, please stay tuned because we're going to be getting right into that. It is Sunday, July 5th, and it's a heck of a day for makeup! And now let's get right into it.
Alright. To play with that.
Okay, so here is what I'm letting him play with today. If he ruins it, that's fine. I'm totally okay with that. Alright.
Fine, okay.
Yeah.
If I ruin it?
Yep, it's okay. We're gonna do Mommy's eyeshadow today. Oh, I love your hugs. Thank you.
Daddy? Dada?
Yes, Daddy's here
that
helping with the
warning
hugs.
on those wipes, it means don't put these wipes in that toilet.
That's exactly right.
That's what says Daddy.
You see these colors?
Yeah.
You can use these brushes, and maybe you can put them wherever you want on Mommy's face, but I would, going right in for the black, I would go on Mommy's eyes first, okay? So we're going to do Mommy's eyeshadow first, okay? Okay. And I'm not looking. I'm not going to look at a mirror until he's done. Mixing colors, all right.
Yeah, I am mixing.
You're mixing some colors? Okay. Where are you going to put that?
On your other eyeshadow.
Okay. Oh man. I'm really excited to see what this is going to look like when we're done. Back for the black. Okay.
Back for the black.
Okay.
And right for this.
Oh, that's like a green? You're going to Inheritance. That's the green one. Okay. And Afterlife. All right. We're going to get some shiny glitters.
Shiny glitters.
Okay. More on this eye? Okay. This eye needs some more eyeshadow. You can use fingers if you want. Okay. Where are you gonna put that one? Okay. Are you painting your own finger now? Okay. Oh, don't put it on your shirt.
What am I putting it?
On Mommy's eye. Put it on this eye. On this one over here. This one doesn't have much on it. I know it doesn't. Oh, beautiful. Beautiful.
I'm trying to get all this off.
Yeah, you're trying to get it off your finger?
Yeah, I'm trying to get it off so I can get more.
It's pigmented, huh? Here, you want this off your finger? We'll put these, remember, we don't flush these in the toilet, right?
Okay.
Can you tell them, say, how old are you?
How old are you?
How old Wyatt is?
3. Yeah.
That's right. What's your name?
Wyatt James Heck.
That's right. Where do we live?
In Earth.
On Earth?
Yeah.
Okay, yep. Do you know what state we live in?
Yeah, what state?
What state do we live in?
Michigan.
That's right. I'm going to put some white.
Yeah, some white.
Okay, where's that going?
Up on here.
Okay. Why are you laughing? Do I look silly?
Nope.
No? I look beautiful?
Yep.
Okay.
Right for this.
Oh, okay.
I ruined it a little
That's
bit.
okay.
Yeah, that's okay.
Alright, what are we doing now?
Just gonna put.
You're gonna put that on my chin? Okay.
Yeah.
My chin needs some shading.
Yep.
Oh, the gray.
Hey,
Okay.
Mom.
Life
Mom,
insurance?
Mommy.
What?
Look.
You see the car in there?
Yeah, there's
Yeah.
a car.
That's called a hearse.
Dad. Look, there's a car in the makeup. See? I told you there's a car.
What else are we doing on Mommy's face? No more brushes? We're just gonna do all fingers? We're gonna be...
More
That's
black.
gray. Where are we putting gray at?
On your mouth.
On my mouth? Okay.
Put it on your eyebrows.
On my eyebrows.
There you go. Get some of this.
Oh, you're gonna get a chunk of the one that we broke, obituary? What do you... I can't wait to see this. I can't see it.
Glitter.
I don't have a... Ooh.
A little more.
Mausoleum. Okay. The glittery beige color.
Yeah.
And that's gonna go on my forehead. Alright. A little bit of bronzer. Okay.
Yeah, a little bit of bronzer. Yeah.
What now? Do you see any other colors you want to use?
What else do I want to?
Ooh, that's a sparkly one. Angel of Death. Okay. A big black sparkly one. Which side, where do you want to put it? Decisions.
On your nose.
On my nose?
Yep.
Okay. Gotta love that dark highlight right there. You want to do more?
Yep, I'll do this one.
You gonna do that one now? Do you
I
want to?
already do that one.
No, you didn't. Burial gown? Okay, we're gonna put that on the forehead too. Okay.
What about Mommy's eyes?
Oh, I already did Mommy's eyes. See?
Oh, yeah, but you can always put more.
You want to put more? What color now?
Hmm.
You want to do that? That looks pretty. What?
I heard squeeze. Ooh, what about some of this on
I don't know. What are we doing with that one?
On your nose.
On my nose.
Look.
Okay. I'll see when I'm done. Do you need to clean your finger off?
Yep.
Okay.
So need cleaning.
What now?
About this
We already
one?
did that color. But you can do it again if you want.
What about we do this one?
Okay. Gravedigger? Okay. Where are we putting that one? You want to do that eye? You want to put some on this eye? Okay.
There we go. What about this one?
That one looks shiny and pretty.
Oh.
Whoa!
Whoa. That's okay.
That's okay.
Ooh.
Whoa, look how pretty that is. More on my nose. Okay, you like the nose?
Oh, that's okay.
I see a
bit
chunk
more
on my
white.
nose.
A little more white.
I see a
Can
chunk.
we go a little bit more?
Alright.
And some more on your eyes.
Okay.
What's your eyelash thing?
My eyelash thing.
That your eyelash usually?
I don't know.
Hold on a second.
Where are you going?
I want to see if I can find those.
Are you done doing my makeup or do you have more to do?
Ooh, what about some of these?
Another gray one?
Yeah,
That's R.I.P.
What's some of this?
Where are you going to put it?
Right now.
On my mouth. Okay.
Isn't that look pretty?
Sure. I can't see it yet.
Some on your cheeks.
Some on my cheeks? Okay. I probably look like a coal miner's daughter. Where now? Where are you going to put it now? Oh, beautiful.
That's what I did. Mix it all together.
Oh, you mixed it all together. You did. I bet you that's pretty. That's probably a really pretty color.
Yeah.
Oh, I'm going to mix the whole top row together. Okay.
Ooh.
Oh, goodness. All right. The forehead. Okay. And the cheek. All right. More nose? Man, my nose is getting all the action today.
Just getting all the action today.
Oh boy. Oh, the brush again. The brush is going to get some action. Okay. Where's that going? This cheek? Okay. Oh boy.
That's doing a lot today.
Yeah? Okay. Right in the middle of the forehead. I can't wait to see this. Ooh, life insurance is really getting dug into. Okay. Oh, the eyebrow needed some gray. Okay.
What else can we do?
Anything else? You really like that pallbearer shade, don't you? It's chunky, right?
That's chunky.
Whoa.
I lose
Every time he
makeup.
laughs, I'm like, uh-oh.
What?
You want to wipe your fingers off?
Yeah.
Okay.
That's okay.
Yeah, it is. It's okay. All right.
Whoa.
Do you have any more, Artist Wyatt, or are we done?
Nope.
Is my
I'm
final
Artist.
look ready? Am I all ready to go for the runway now?
Yep. Can't even see that star because all that glitter's moving that star.
Yeah, it's because we dug into it so much, huh? That we haven't touched it. Yeah.
That's the one that we haven't did yet.
Yep, that's one that we haven't done yet.
Hey, Daddy. Look at how many makeups I put on her.
What do you think?
See what's pretty.
What do you think? You gonna do any more?
What about some of this?
Okay. You gonna do more?
I'll put some on Daddy.
Ooh, I don't think Daddy wants a makeover today.
Daddy, just try it one today.
I'm trying to say. Oh my God.
Hey, Daddy. A fart. It was a bullfrog.
Okay.
Dada, what about you? What about I put some makeup on you tomorrow?
Oh, tomorrow?
Yeah, what
How's that
about
sound?
tomorrow? Yeah, I think that sounds a great idea.
Okay, where's that going? My eyes?
Yep.
Okay.
Can I eye?
Okay. Are we done?
Nope.
No?
We're not done, Artist Wyatt.
Hey, you gotta stand up.
Oh,
Thank you.
that's what I'm supposed to do.
Okay.
Let us
What's left? What do we gotta do now?
put it on your ears.
My ears? That's new to me. I didn't know that my
Daddy
ears needed
does.
makeup.
You needed makeup
Okay.
so bad.
So,
I'll get up and do Daddy.
Daddy doesn't want any. Are you done with Mommy's?
I'll try with
Are you done with
Daddy's.
Mommy? Are you done with Mommy's makeup?
Nope.
What are you doing with that? Okay.
Put it on your chin
That's my chest.
or chest.
Okay.
More makeup. That needs more.
Okay. I think you might be done because you're not doing my face anymore.
Ooh, I mixed it up.
Yes, you did. Okay, where's that going?
I'm trying to look where I'm going.
Okay.
Need to do more.
Okay.
You look pretty.
Do I look pretty now? Am I all done?
Look in the camera.
Am I all done?
You can
Oh,
do
God.
all the colors. Look,
Oh, boy. Okay.
that's cool.
Oh,
Look at my
boy.
hands. Oh boy.
Oh,
Look at my-
Okay.
I think we did.
I think we did it. We gonna do the final look?
Yes, final look.
Okay. You ready for Mommy to see myself? Because I haven't seen anything that you've done. You ready for me to see your work, Artist Wyatt?
One more color on it.
One more color. You really like that brown one. Okay, where's it going? Not even on my
here.
face, on my chest. All right, so let's see what we look like.
Yeah, let's see what we look like today.
Oh my God. I look so beautiful.
Yeah, you look so beautiful. You like
Oh, I
me
look
now?
so beautiful. Anyone want to see how beautiful the palette looks?
You like me?
Ooh. She got a number. She got a number done to her.
Both. What's mommy?
I'd say these glitter shades are toddler approved.
I want to see what I look like when I'm done
Well, hang on.
with my makeup.
So, I look like a glam coal miner's daughter,
Ooh,
and
I look good.
this was a lot of fun. All right, and this is the final look.
Beautiful.
I'm so beautiful. Oh, you're so sweet.
I love you.
I love you too. This was the toddler makeup challenge, or as I liked to call it, the toddler tutorial. I hope you all enjoyed watching my son have lots of fun in a really expensive eyeshadow palette.
Any more bugs.
Hey, I hope you enjoyed it. We certainly did. Did you have fun, Wyatt? That's good.
I'm not Wyatt. I'm Artist Wyatt.
Oh, okay. Sorry. Excuse me, everyone. Artist Wyatt.
Thank you for watching.
Thank you for watching. And if you enjoyed this video, please remember to like this video, subscribe to my channel,
Subscribe to our videos.
and check me out on Instagram, Twitter, and Facebook.
Bye-bye. See you again soon. I'll see you down the line, kids. See you to our next video. I'll see you. Hey, Mom.
What?
I'm telling all the kids.
You're doing good.
I'll see you on our next video.
Thank you again for joining me here, and I hope to see you again real soon on my next video. Take care. Bye-bye.